Hi Peter.
Hello, hello.
Nice to meet you.
Yeah, nice to meet you too.
So my friend here, he's a spotter, an aircraft spotter. He goes to various airports and he films them with his camera here.
Yeah.
And it's a hobby, and some people take it more like a passion. And he's meeting us here today to make a film of us. And I've offered him to come with me to Malaga, and he's gonna do some films with me over there, and we vlog together.
It's going to be very interesting.
Yeah. So how long have you been doing spotting?
8 years now, I think.
Okay. And then how did you get into it?
Well, basically, someone from my family took me to the airport, and I saw some aircraft, and we came again. And then we also went outside the airport. I got better equipment, and yeah, that's how we are.
Lovely, lovely. So Risa and Bernard, they are the proud owners of this farm and a hotel. And he is actually a real farmer, so he has... what kind of animals do you have here?
I have Belgium blue, and I have also a crop with potatoes, sugar beets,
nice.
wheat, and
Okay, and cows and
yes,
and sheep and things like that, yeah?
just a cow.
Just the cows, yeah?
Yes,
Okay, okay. And the restaurant, you run the restaurant then with the team?
Yeah, we have a big restaurant with 150 places.
Nice.
So we have around 25 team working for us, and a hotel with 12 rooms.
Okay, so the hotel has 12 rooms, and it's like a restaurant with rooms, basically. And the restaurant looks very nice, so I'm going to check the food out in a while, and then put some pictures on there.
Yeah, it's a special barbecue. So if you like barbecue, and then sometimes we make our meat. So it's
Okay, thanks. Kamil here just spotted a hot air balloon. Over there. Right up there. Have a look. I think they're spotting our helicopter.
Takeoff.